Hi, it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and today I'm going to show you how to make these Labradorite Hexagon dangle earrings. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is wrap our hexagon at the bottom. So I'm going to do that using a 20 gauge wire. I'm using about 2.5 inches. I'm going to string my hex on there, and I'm going to push up both sides so that it crisscrosses at the top. And then I'm going to make one come straight up just like that. And I'm going to hold this here and coil this back around. And then I'm going to cut off my excess wire. And then I'm going to put my pliers here, push this away at a 90-degree angle, put my pliers at the top right here, and wrap it around so that I have a little loop right there. You want to make sure that you leave it big enough so that you can put the chain on here, and then you can also have room to attach 4 of the ball pins with the Labradorite on them. I'm going to attach my chain, and then I'm going to coil this back around till it meets the one below. And then I'm going to cut off the excess wire. I got a little bit sticking out, so I'm just going to take my pliers and just tuck that in. And then I'm going to go ahead and add my ear wire. I'm just going to open that up at the bottom and gently twist that open. I'm going to attach the chain and then twist it back into place. And then we're going to start adding the dangles. So down at the bottom, we're going to add 4, 2 on each side. So I'm going to hold it right here with my round nose pliers right above the Labradorite. I'm going to bend it away from me at a 90-degree angle. And then I'm going to take my pliers and put them here at the top. And I'm going to wrap that around, making a little loop. And then I'm going to attach my loop to this loop right here that we've created. And I'm going to hold it at the top and coil it back around. And cut off the excess. I'm just going to repeat that over and over again until I get all of my dangles added. Put it at the top, bend it away from you, put your pliers at the top, loop it around, and I'm just going to work it back and forth and add 1 to each side going up. You can also make these longer. If you would like a longer earring, you can just use longer than 3 links of the chain and make it as long as you want. Or you could also, instead of putting the ear wire here, you could put a chain and just have it be a necklace with the dangles around it. So then we're going to attach it again on the bottom so that each side has 2 and a total of 4. We've got one more to add to the bottom before we start moving up the chain. So now we're gonna start going up the chain. So you can see where it's attached to my loop right there, and I'm just gonna put one on the right side. I love the flash in the Labradorite. Can you see it in the video? It's got so much color in there. Yeah. I love this shape. Some things come in and you just know you have to make something with them. They call to you. All right, so now we've got one on one side of the chain, so we're just going to attach this one to the other. I'm just going to put my round nose pliers at the top, push it away, creating an angle so I can get in there and make my loop. And then once I've got it, I'm going to continue going up the chain. Two more chain loops to fill. So 3 more to go after this one. This gets hard on your hands with these little ball pins. They're harder to use than the longer ones. But I don't want to use the longer ones as I don't need them, so using the smaller ones. All right, 2 more to go after this. This is the last one. And there you go. Labradorite hexagon dangle earrings. All the supplies can be found at cherrytreebeads.com. Thanks so much for watching.